So, good afternoon, everyone. Today I am conducting a presentation on deep learning and neural networks. So, first we see what is deep learning. So, deep learning is a branch of machine learning focused on the training artificial neural networks with the many layers. It also called the deep neural networks. Means deep learning focuses on what the data and the training artificial intelligence of a neural networks, and it enables computer to automatically learn and improve the experiences without being explicitly programmed for a specific task. मीन्स डीप लर्निंग में क्या होता है, इट विल दी ट्रेन दी डेटा, डेटा क्या कर रहा है, लर्न कर रहा है इन डीप लर्निंग. सो इट विल ट्रेन दैट डेटा through the neural networks and accordingly give you the output. Then deep learning exceeds the recognizing patterns in the complex data such as images, audio and text. So there are three types of data in the machine learning, which is structured data, unstructured data and semi-structured data. So structured data, it can be easily manageable, but in semi-structured or unstructured data there are various types of data like images, audio, videos. So there are multiple types of data in the unstructured and semi-structured data. So deep learning smoothly handles this data and proceeds that data into forward. So it powers the many modern AI application from the voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. We can give the command to the Siri and Alexa, it will give the output accordingly. So deep learning is majorly used in this real world application like image recognition and language translation. Then why deep learning? So automatic feature learning. It learns the important features directly from the raw data without the manual interaction. Means ये क्या कर रहा है? Learning the important features directly. Instead of giving the all the features of data, it will extract the important features only and proceed that data towards the final output layer. Then second is handle complex data. Deep learning also handle the complex data. Means as we already discussed, there are three types of data. So semi-structured data and unstructured data, these type of data are complex to handle. So deep learning smoothly handles the complex data. Then third is high accuracy. It it will give the high accuracy. As many type of data we feed to the machine, then machine will learn more and give the accurate data to us. Then fourth is it is scalable with the data. It improves the amount of data. Whenever you give the lots of data to the machine, it will give more accuracy, and deep learning accordingly is scalable to that machine. Then fifth point is enable to the new technologies. Today's real world application like NLP, medical diagnosis, self-driving cars. In self-driving car again, uh, reinforcement learning used. So there are new techniques in deep learning uses in these applications. So this is the diagram of application of deep learning. There are many applications in which deep learning is used. Example, image recognition, natural language processing. In image recognition, the machine will recognize and extract the features. Example, our regular images and face unlock. Then in natural language processing, it will deals with the text data and accordingly proceed that data and the detect the text. Then speech recognition, self-driving cars. In these applications also deep learning is widely used in today's world. So first is image recognition, like a facial recognition in the security system. Example, medical images analysis and detecting the tumors. So deep learning is used in the image recognition. Then second is speech recognition. So virtual assistant like Alexa and Siri. In this speech recognition, deep learning plays an important role. Third is natural language processing. It deals with the language and translations. So it uses in the chatbots and Google Translator. The next application is recommendation system. So example, Netflix and YouTube. So from the past history or the past data, it will recommend you, like whenever you are using Netflix, so according to past data, It will suggest the movie on the Netflix or the suggest song on the Spotify. Then autonomous systems like self-driving cars, deep learning used in these applications also in manufacturing, robotics and self-driving cars. The next, what are the neural networks? So neural networks are a computing systems like inspired by the human brain structure and the function. So they consist of the layers like input layer, hidden layer and the output layer. So it interconnected nodes and the neurons to the work together process information. मतलब इसमें क्या रहता है? Input layer, hidden layers. There are multiple hidden layers in between input layer and output layer. In input layer we give the input to the system or to the machine, then it will process that data through the multiple hidden layers, and in the final stage it will give the output. So neural networks learn from the adjusting these weights during the training to improve the predictions or classifications. So this is the diagram of neural network. First is the input layer. It works as a human nervous system. Like it will first take the input, then it processed into the many hidden layers. These are the hidden layers, and accordingly give the final output. So let's see the types of neural networks. First is feed forward neural network. So feed forward neural networks means your data is flow in the forward direction only. It doesn't form any kind of loop. So how it works? It will take the input in the input layer, then it flows in one direction from input layer to output layer without forming any loop. So example of feed forward network is a basic spam email filter that classify your message as a spam based on email फीचर्स. मतलब आपका जो मेल है वो स्पैम है या नहीं है, वो क्या कर रहा है, क्लासीफाई कर रहा है इन फीड फॉरवर्ड नेटवर्क. सेकेंड इज CNN मीन्स कॉन्वोल्यूशनल न्यूरल नेटवर्क. So how it works, it's specialized for the images, videos. So it detect the patterns like edges, shapes and the object through the layers of a filter. Object के जो special features रहते हैं like edges and shape, it will detect in the CNN. So it uses in the Netflix and face unlock system. Netflix में क्या कर रहा है, मूवी जो patterns है वो analyze कर रहा है. In face unlock it will extract the human facial features and accordingly give you the output. Then third is recurrent neural network, which is RNN. So it is designed for the sequential data with the loops that remembers the previous inputs. So it is used in basically speech recognition in the virtual assistant like Alexa and Google Assistant. Then text predictions means if you are typing good, then accordingly it will predict the morning word. So it will help in the deep learning, RNN help in deep learning accordingly. Then next type is generative adversarial network. So it works like how networks they compete. First one create fake data generator, like other tries to detect the fake data. Example, creating a deepfake videos and realistic faces. So there are many applications like it will convert, extract your features, original features, and accordingly create the new fake data. So it detects, GANs detect that fake data. Then next type is transformer networks. So self attention, understand context and relationship is especially language. So it is used in the chat GPT and Google translated languages.